myself Vijayalakshmi, and I will take the class of your history. The chapter is Rise of Nationalism in Europe. How many continents are in the world? 7 continents. So we are going through the chapter past and history part, chapter 1. The name is Rise of Nationalism in Europe. In this, what do you understand about the term nationalism? Kindly stand up and then answer. देशभक्ति की भावना. देशभक्ति की भावना. Yes, the answer is right. So why we are talking about the Europe? We are not talking about the Asia, because we live in Asian continent and we are going the first chapter, that is the rise of nationalism in Europe. The reason behind, anyone can say?
Our exploitation by the Britishers at that time in Europe, because the exploitation by the Britishers in that era in that time in Europe.
Not much correct answer, but well right.
Because of self-mutiny first started in the France.
This is the correct answer, because the first revolution started in the France, and you have all read about this in details in class 9 in French Revolution, and after that Russian Revolution and whatever the revolution. So in this chapter, the impact of revolution and why it is important, each and everything goes through a continuous process, and we will come to know about that. So the first unit is introduction about this. Nationalism means rising of emotions, a love towards your country amongst the citizens. These emotions first inculcate in the citizens of French Revolution. In 1789, people take revolutionary activities against the monarchy. Happens in Europe. तो इस चैप्टर में एक बहुत बड़ा स्टेटमेंट है मेटरनिक निकाला, ड्यूक मेटरनिक. Who was ड्यूक मेटरनिक? Nationalist not. Chancellor of Austria. ऑस्ट्रिया का चांसलर. ऑस्ट्रिया कुछ रिकॉल कर पा रहे हो? ऑस्ट्रिया की राजकुमारी की शादी हुई थी लुई 16 से. हाँ, तो वो चांसलर थे ड्यूक मेटरनिक. तो ही गेव अ वेरी फेमस स्टेटमेंट. इससे बोर्ड में डायरेक्टली क्वेश्चन आ जाता है कि व्हेन फ्रांस स्नीज द होल यूरोप गेट इन्फेक्टेड. जब फ्रांस छींकता है तो पूरे यूरोप को सर्दी लग जाती है. दिस इज द फेमस स्टेटमेंट गिवन बाय द ड्यूक मेटरनिक. थैंक यू सर. दैट इज द चांसलर ऑफ Austria. Why he said so? He said so because the first revolution started in French, and